Welcome back, YouTube, with another reaction video. Now we are back watching Jamal Phillips skits when roasting goes wrong. Hashtag or quotation or bars Jamal Phillips. This nigga here funny, bro. Oh my soul. Motherfucker finna watch this video. Motherfucker finna probably laugh. Let's get into this video.
It's hell outside.
I already know you almost look dark skinned for a minute.
Docs out there walking with their leggings on, looking good.
Hey, we finna get some back
Wow, what's this?
You said wow.
My nigga.
My right. So what happened with the club the other day? What's funny?
Nigga, you ugly as shit.
It took you to hit that red to realize that?
Bro, I never seen your features, bro.
Shit,
It's like I've been blind. You ugly than a motherfucker.
You
man.
on board
Let me
with
get
it.
this again and see what I'll catch out of you. Your eyes black as shit.
You on board with your
Yeah, you
boy.
got nigga hair. You got BBs in your hair like an African.
It be like that, bro.
We should be talking like this.
No, that's funny. All jokes
You
aside,
ugly
though.
shit. What's
Hey,
up?
my dog coming over, man. He don't play them roasting games.
Who?
My dog Jordan.
Jordan?
Yeah.
Who?
Hey, you gonna
Man,
see?
I don't give a damn if it's Michael Jordan. Any nigga come when I'm smoking Reggie gonna get roasted. Hell, you talking about your guy,
There
nigga?
he is right there.
Talk to him, man.
What's going on with it?
What up, bro? What up, man? What's going on? What up? I'm Jay, bro. Jordan. Yeah.
What's happening?
What's up, bro?
What you on?
Man, I can't call it hot
I
outside.
know, trying to
I
dodge.
heard he looked hot, he's sweating.
What's funny, man?
Motherfucker look like Sinbad, don't he?
Man, that's that red. You don't even pay no attention.
He laughing, he fired his ass
Shoes.
though.
They look like flippers.
Damn.
Come on.
Hey, you
Hey, man.
That
nigga crazy. Bro. I don't play like that, bro. Oh, you don't joke? Nah, bro. I don't play. Why you didn't tell me he didn't joke?
I
You
told
didn't
you
tell
that.
him, bro.
I told him.
My bro, I don't play like that, bro. I offended you? Yeah, man. I don't play like that, bro. Man, fuck you, man. You got a Busta Rhymes head at the back. Fuck is you talking about, swell?
Damn.
Damn. He dropped the blood.
Bro, I told you, bro. Why you ain't just tell him, bro?
I did tell him, bro. You ain't have to kill him.
He ain't had to joke on me like that.
Damn. G.
Damn.
Don't hit the like yet, G. You still owe me $2, G.
Damn.
Hey, maybe that's blunt headed. G, get up. There you is, G.
Well, you guys, that's the end of that video. That's fun. This nigga funny as hell. Oh my soul. Y'all gotta go check out his channel. But it's Devon from DV4L. Signing up with this video. I gotta go see what my mama want. Cause you know, I take care of her, you know, try to make sure she alright. Cause she going through some stuff right now. But peace, y'all.